John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Psalms 23:1, the Lord is my shepherd shall not want. Ephesians 6:1, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Luke 6:27, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you.
Bibi. Pricks, ka-pricks. Mga aliping,
First John 4:8. God is love.
Kuya Sal.
Ako.
First John. Tapo nga, tapos na.
God 4:8.
God's love.
God is love.
Colossians 3:20. Sino kaya Colossians? Colossians 3:20. Oh, baby girl. First John. Lahat ka baby girl, pe. Na. Okay na. Yes,